guys, it's me Mosri and welcome back to Code with Mosri. So today we will learn that how to make a Scratch project with something flowers. So the prompt was flowers and let's see, it was for Scratchtober. You can go and check there, you can find my project there. Well, let's start, and this is a thumbnail. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, I have a problem, so let's start it again. Okay guys, let's see that how to make it. So for that you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 this type of costumes of flower. And these are those flowers which I already showed in my video of cutting the background. So yes, I'm used these flowers for this Scratch project. Well, these are the flowers and the scripts. You can follow the script or pause the video, and the flower script are all same. And this is thinner, actually it should be BG. And yes, this is the script of it, BG. Yes, it is a GIF, and yes, there are many. You can see that how many costumes are there. So 125. Well, now music. I use this music drum snare beat for this project, and this is the script and code of it. And this is sprite one, and this is the code of it. Actually, this is not the sprite one. I think it should be like banner. Well, banner should be a great name. And yes, happy Scratchtober 2022. Prompt flowers. Well, now sorry, I'm really sorry. Now sprite 2. So this is a script and code of sprite 2, and this is the costume of it. I used 8 colors and 1 black. Sorry, there's no black. I used 8 colors. One of it is white. I thought it was black, so I'm really sorry for it, because white makes a splashing effect. And yes, if you make this Scratch project, don't forget to recommend something information to say that there is a little bit flash effect, because someone can have an eye injury with that. But mine one is really soft. And this is OYP. I didn't give the names of it. Thumb and names. Thumbnails, which are, you say, YouTube also has thumbnails. Well, this is the thumbnail, and I got this image from Google, so thanks to Google, and I write it here. Happy Scratchtober. Well, so, and always the backdrop is any color you want. Take care. Bye.